3-day military diet will help you shrink out of your clothes. The military diet is a short-term food plan that claims to help you lose up to 10 pounds in a week. What's even better, you get to eat hot dogs and ice cream. Let's get to it and see what this magical diet is all about. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss a thing. What exactly is the 3-day military diet and why is it so popular? Well, one of the coolest things about this diet is that it lasts only 3 days, as you've probably already guessed. And by sticking to it, you can lose up to 10 pounds in pretty much no time at all. However, you can achieve these impressive results only if you follow the eating plan to a T. This diet is surprisingly really easy to follow and doesn't demand much on your part. You don't need to constantly count calories, spend hours at the gym, or buy a long list of really expensive supplements. The military diet calls for ingredients you can easily find at your nearest grocery store. And how exactly does it work? No miracles, just pure metabolism kickstarting. By decreasing your calorie intake over a short period, your body will burn more fat, and as a result, you'll lose weight effortlessly. It's definitely not your typical starvation diet. While it is low in calories, it provides you with the energy you need to have a productive day since it includes healthy fats, carbohydrates, and protein. But enough theory, let's look at your menu for the next 3 days. Day 1. Start your day with a hot caffeinated beverage, such as a cup of coffee or tea. Make yourself 1 slice of toast. It's even better if it's whole grain, with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And don't forget to grab exactly half a grapefruit. Yeah, get ready for some funky combinations. Your lunch will be a bit similar. A cup of hot coffee or tea with a slice of toast and half a cup of tuna. Don't add anything else. The diet will only work if you strictly follow all the rules. Finally, for dinner, you should have about 85 grams of any meat. It can be boiled or steamed. Sorry, no fried chicken allowed. Add 1 cup of green beans, half a banana, and 1 small apple to your meal as well. You can also treat yourself with 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. It won't hurt your diet plan at all. Plus, you totally deserve it for your willpower. Day 2. Your breakfast on the second day of the diet will consist of 1 slice of toast. Again, whole grain is desirable. Then change things up a little bit with 1 hard-boiled egg and half a banana. When it's time for lunch, eat 1 more hard-boiled egg, 5 saltine crackers, and 1 cup of cottage cheese. Don't worry, it'll give you all the energy you need and will fill your stomach up more than you'd think. Dinner on day 2 is a little more interesting. Your final meal for the day should include 2 hot dogs. Yep, that's right, not 1, but 2 hot dogs. Best diet ever if you ask me. Oh, but you gotta eat them as is, no bun or condiments. Sorry. Balance that out with a half cup of carrots, a cup of broccoli, and half a banana, which you can again cover with half a cup of vanilla ice cream, 'cause you're the boss of your own life. Day 3. The third and final day of your strict diet plan starts with 5 saltine crackers, a slice of cheddar cheese, and 1 small apple. Again, the portion size might seem like nothing, but it'll actually give your body all the nutrients it needs to kickstart your day. Your lunch should be simple as well, surprise, surprise. It'll consist of just a slice of whole grain toast and 1 egg. The last day of dieting is really light, but still nutritious. The same simplicity goes for your dinner. Today, it's a cup of tuna and your favorite part, half a banana with a whole cup of vanilla ice cream. And on this note, your diet plan is done. Remember, if you want to achieve the best results, follow the diet for 3 days and then eat normal food for the next 4 days. Don't overeat during the next few days. It'll only bring back all that weight you worked so hard to lose. Repeat the 3-day military diet every 4 days for several weeks in a row until you reach your goal. It's even better to stick to this eating plan for a whole month. There are some additional tips to make this diet even more effective. First of all, make it a habit to start your day with a glass of water. Actually, go ahead and drink 2 glasses of water before every meal. This is great for your health because 1. Your body needs H2O, And 2. Water is known to be exceptionally filling. As a result, it keeps your body hydrated, flushes out icky toxins, and reduces your appetite, helping you to feel full longer. And don't forget to drink water during the 4 days of normal eating too. You know what? Just always drink water. The stuff's good for you. Secondly, find yourself a diet buddy so that you can control and motivate each other. It's always great to have somebody by your side who can help you keep it up when you feel like throwing in the towel. If you do this, you're way more likely to succeed. So share this video with your friends and see who'd like to take this challenge with you. Strength in numbers, you know? Thirdly, and most importantly, severely restricting calories isn't suitable for everyone. It's always a good idea to consult your doctor before trying any new diet. Whether it's right for you or not depends entirely on your health, and that information can only be provided to you by your physician. So don't be lazy and give the doc a visit. It's their job to give you trusted advice when you're looking to make drastic changes to your health and eating. Have you ever been on a diet? Did it help? Are you gonna give this one a shot? Don't be shy. Sound off in the comments section below. Remember to always stay on the bright side of life. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you soon.